Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on Windows 11. First, let's ensure your system is ready. You'll want to confirm your computer meets the minimum requirements, like having at least 4 GB of RAM and a 64-bit operating system. Also, make sure your Windows 11 is fully updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Finally, check that you have at least 18 GB of free storage space for the base game and any expansions. Once your system is prepared, it's time to install the game. You can purchase and download The Sims 4 from popular digital storefronts like EA's app or Steam. After downloading, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions. The process usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your internet speed and computer. Remember to install any available game updates or patches before you start playing for the best experience. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience, optimizing your game's performance is key. Within The Sims 4, navigate to the graphics settings and adjust them to match your computer's capabilities. Lowering settings like view distance or lighting quality can significantly improve frame rates. Also, close any unnecessary background applications running on Windows 11 to free up valuable system resources. Regularly updating your graphics drivers will also provide performance enhancements. Sometimes you might encounter minor issues, but don't worry, they are often easy to fix. If the game isn't launching correctly, try running it in compatibility mode for an older Windows version. You can also use your digital storefronts option to verify or repair game files, which often resolves corrupted data. For more specific problems, online communities and forums dedicated to The Sims 4 are excellent resources for finding solutions and connecting with other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.